Smile. Oh, that's such a pretty little clown. Yes, I think you're going to set the world on fire.
Fire
On fire, yes.
in the world?
The whole world.
That would be fun.
Yes.
Little maniac.
Sure is grinning like one. That makeup job fits her perfect.
It's not gonna hurt me. It's not gonna hurt me.
What's not gonna hurt you?
With that fire.
No, is it going to hurt Fluffy?
No. Ouch.
Some bobby pins. Well, honey, don't pull your hair, okay? Because it'll come right off. Be real careful.
Tell Mommy to get out of your light a minute. Oh, Mommy's still working on the hair. Okay, we'll wait.
Wait, Mom.
We can wait.
Okay, turn around. Good clown. You want to go see? Look in the mirror? Okay.
Wait a minute. I haven't got a decent picture yet. Get out of the light, Becky. Go back over there where you were, honey. There you go. Oh, so pretty. You're the prettiest clown there ever was. You want to go look in the mirror? See what you look like? You sure are cute. Okay, go on.